Good evening, everyone. Forward Monorail. Our next stop is going to be the Polynesian Village Resort, followed by the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. For standing, please allow the silver handrails. Please do not lean against the Magic Kingdom. Good evening and welcome aboard Mono Green. Our next stop's going to be the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. If you're standing, please hold on the silver handrails and please do not lean against the automatic doors.
Welcome aboard Monorail Peach. Our next stop will be the Magic Kingdom. If you're standing, please hold on to those silver handrails and never lean against the automatic doors.
For those guests who just joined us, welcome. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, don't stop your train.
temporary resort. If you're standing, please on the handrails and now lean against the door. Thank you.
Don't lean against the doors. Just told you. Lean against the doors. Really bad things will happen. Yeah. Worst imaginable things will happen. Especially fall just before you go in, because that goes up pretty high. It's gonna break.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We are traveling to temporary resort. During our travels, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you.
They pretty much get this spot cleaned out now. I know it's the last big problem going up in Grand Floridian Resort.
I saw that and I went, oh, Legos. And then I didn't know you were actually looking at Legos. Maybe during this program I'll buy one.
Good evening and welcome aboard Monorail Breeze. Our next stop is going to be Transportation Ticket Center. Home parking lot, right shipping and ready for the right shirt. You're standing just along the blue handrails, and please do not lean against them.
I technically have, in a way, rights to something. I don't think that's it. I didn't know. I was like, I'm going to choose one. Oh, this year's pretty cool. Yeah. The Joy the Java Or how about we finish something for, and just like leave it be for a year before we build another thing. It's like, they'll have something that you know something about.
I found out how much it is. How much it is. 4.75. That's for the one from 5:30 to yeah, I don't even know what they're saying yet. Somebody said John Day or Aguilera. That was the previous that round she went to, so that's every night.
I think it already passed. It's not. Like whether I waited at the temporary or waited here.
That's the only reason I'm coming back
It just
tomorrow.
happened.
2 hours away.
One, at least I saw like 4 buses for me, and I saw 1 for Kay. So
That's just something.
it's something.
They're